Yeah, that's where I went all along.
So Age Action's Getting Started program is a training program for people over 55 to teach them basic IT skills. And all our tutors are trained volunteers and work one-to-one with older people. And this allows our older people to go at their own pace. And for a lot of older people, they have a real fear when it comes to technology. And so the one-to-one tuition allows them to overcome this fear and get to grips with the basics of getting on the internet and sending emails.
Choosing unread first will always put it up at the very top, so you can't possibly miss it. So I think that might be a little bit more useful for yourself.
Right, so that's the first thing you did. And you wanted to see the way it says open?
Yeah.
That's what you want to see.
Instead of having inbox starred, blah blah blah, it shows all your emails regardless. And all the blue ones are things you haven't read. So
If you spam them instead, you'll
Or
get
they
less
go
of them.
to get to go into the spam folder.
Yeah, so you see the right button here?
Just for the heel.
Right click to click on that right button and
they're all apps basically. So
Are they right?
yeah, so it's basically anything that has a little, like, probably the best way to describe it is anything that has a little symbol.
Can you hear it? Yeah.
But we'll have to go through all this,
Yeah.
the motions, and I'll have to write it down.
Yep, that's fine.
So to volunteer with the Getting Started program, you need to give 2 hours once a week for 4 weeks, and you'll be working one-to-one with an older person, normally teaching the basics of using the keyboard, the mouse, getting on the internet, sending an email, and searching for websites. So it's really just basic IT skills, a bit of a sense of humour, and an interest in working with older people. That's what we're looking for in a volunteer.
Now it's our turn to nominate 3 people to carry out a random act of kindness in the next month. TheJournal.ie nominates the Department of Taoiseach and Kenny.
Score.ie nominates Dorval O'Rourke. TheEdge.ie nominates Scott O'Shea.
Now it's your turn.